In this video, we'll show you how to use ShowLink AD610 Access Points to enable remote control and interference avoidance using Axient Digital ADX series transmitters. Each AD610 Access Point can manage up to 24 ADX series transmitters. Transmitters within the range of an access point will automatically link. ShowLink icons on the transmitter and receiver indicate link status and strength. Using multiple access points can increase the capacity and extend the control range of your system. Let's start with real-time remote control of transmitter settings such as gain, frequency, and audio muting. When linked by a ShowLink access point, transmitter parameters can be managed from a receiver, wireless Workbench, or ShurePlus Channels. If conditions change after your sound check, you can remotely adjust the gain to get the sound right at any time during an event. Audio mute, pads, and other parameters can be adjusted just as easily. Automatic interference avoidance is another essential feature enabled by ShowLink. When an AXT600 spectrum manager is part of your system, automatic synchronized frequency changes happen instantly if a frequency gets hit with interference. If interference occurs, the spectrum manager sends a verified backup frequency to the receiver. Through ShowLink, the new frequency is simultaneously sent to the transmitter, preventing dropouts. ShowLink is also extremely useful for situations when you need to extend the control range and coverage over large areas. Switching to high power mode extends the control range of the access point. Strategically placing multiple access points opens up possibilities for uninterrupted control in large venues, parade routes, and multi-room installations. As the transmitter moves, control will automatically pass from one access point to another, providing seamless control. Opening the property panel for the AD610 and wireless Workbench lets you view the link relationships between access points and transmitters. To help with positioning your access points, ADX series transmitters include a built-in ShowLink test, allowing you to map the ShowLink coverage area and fine-tune your setup. Access the ShowLink test in the Transmitter Utilities menu and do a walk test to check coverage levels. As long as you see 1 bar or more, you'll have full ShowLink control. If the bars drop to 0, adjust or add more access points to remove any gaps in coverage. For additional training and setup information, visit our website.